Okay, here I am. Look, I was still getting ready. Going into 130 North Glades, in the Glades behind the Hombre golf course. And again, this house is just under 500,000 and beautiful. We're all set up. We've got a violinist that might still be setting up, but hopefully we can catch some of what she does on this video. If not, I'll add another. So come on in. We have art featured by Stacy Doucette here, who is a wonderful photographer. And if you've never seen her, you should check her out. And also Austin Bennett is here. He does a cool, I don't even know what to call this. He calls it Austin Bennett's Designs and Crafts, but he can basically do just about anything. I love this open area. So great for entertaining. There's one of Austin's pieces right there. And I'm going to walk you through the house. Look at this master bedroom. This house is 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, or 3 bedroom with a bonus room, if you will. Large walk-in closet. Shower and tub separate. Jet jacuzzi tub. Another one of Austin's awesome pieces there. We have such a great crew today. So much fun. So again, from this side of the room and the office space. And this door off of the master leads you right out into this open outdoor kitchen pool that's right along the golf course. I mean, I don't know if you can see this, but what a beautiful day. You can see that I am in a dress. The dog is not happy with me because we have taken over his space. There's also a cat not happy with me. But over where the dog is a nice little garden. It's gated and it has beautiful room for vegetables and the pots there and wooden buckets, I guess. Wooden boxes, we'll say boxes. And I've got this great little area here where you can do grapevines, hammock. It's so beautiful. A lot of attention to detail and just a great home for entertaining. So, again, we're already getting lively here. And this is Allison. She's just set up to play violin for all of us today. So we're super excited. And I want to see how you do. The beautiful black cat. And here, we're going to listen to that. Do you hear that? That's so good. Okay, this large washroom, you guys, seriously, huge 2-car garage that also has a space for a golf cart. And then I like to call this the flamingo room because it's got flamingos and it's really cool. I mean, who knew that flamingos could ever look so cool? We've even got another one of Austin's pieces over there. Look how cute this room is. I love it. 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 I love how she decorated this house. Another... And look at this room. Literally, I just want to move in. And over here is another one of Stacy Doucette's pieces. I love this flower with the bead of the water just sitting on it. So beautiful. So beautiful. And we're gonna skip this room because they're already packing. But it's the other 3rd bedroom. That's the same size as the one you just saw. And then we have this area up here that's like the bonus room or a pool table room if you don't have kids and need to throw them up here. Nice little bathroom. I'm gonna walk in front of the mirror, so sorry. More storage and more art. Look at this. So much fun. It is happening here today at 1:30, so 130 North Glades Trail. And you have to come visit us. Whether you want to see art, whether you just want to have an appetizer with us and a glass of wine, or you want to buy a house or sell a house, come see us. Come see how we do. And this is up-level real estate, if I can talk. So it's me again, Melissia Pennington with Coldwell Banker Residential in Northwest Florida. And I would love for you to follow me on my Facebook page at Melissia Pennington Coldwell Banker, or follow me on Instagram under Melissia Pennington. And also, again, Stacy Doucette's Designs and Austin Bennett's Art and Design. I'll tag that below in a minute to make sure I said it right. All right, thank you guys so much. Check it out. Appreciate it.